What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another video. I want to do an unboxing of this. I'm embarrassed to admit I actually bought this quite a long time ago, maybe a year. There's all the craziness this past year. I haven't got a chance to film this till then, so I kept it in the box. This is a lens cleaning kit from Zeiss. There's other ones out there. I bought this one. I saw another video of someone using it. If you're a vlogger like me, you know you get the camera lens gets dirty, dust. Especially I've noticed it's not well when it's more of a sunnier day. You know it's like the dust particles on it. Like I noticed this past video I filmed at Legoland. I see more of it, and there's quite a bit of dust on there. Even though it has a cover on it, it keeps supposed to keep dust off. Dust still gets on there. And since I bought my camera, I cleaned it 3 or 4 times. But I'm always very nervous because if you do it wrong, you could scratch the lens. You think, oh, a little piece of dust, oh, that's not gonna do nothing. Yeah, it could. And once that happens, you're in some issues you're gonna have. So you either have to get a whole new camera, or maybe possibly get it fixed, which is gonna be expensive. This is where this comes in. Now, the other YouTuber I saw, he was using this stuff. He had those attachable lenses, so you would scratch that, no problem. It's easier to hand out or easier to exchange. Well, this is the actual lens that's attached to the camera, so see how it goes. But I bought it for that because you do need to clean your camera lens from time to time. It gets dirty like everything else. Here it is. This is what's available. Now, some of the stuff I already had, like 10 pre-moistened cleaning cloths. I actually bought like 600 plus of them the other day. Not the other day, some months ago. I use them to clean my glasses, for instance. 1 microfiber cloth. I got those around. Clean solution, which I can't use on this camera. Obviously, you can't spray it. But this is what I got because it has 1 lens brush, and 1 dust blower. And comes with a pouch. Those are the 2 things I didn't have that I think will really help me with cleaning my camera. Anyways, let's open this bad boy up, and then I can do a little unboxing and show you how much this is. I don't remember. I bought it off Amazon. I'll look that up, and then I'll put it below how much this is. But this is done by Zeiss, and there's other lens clean kits, but I decided to go with this one. And it was that other video I saw. Here it is. You open it up. Looks like it all comes in the pouch already. And that's it. Empty. Picture what's in there. This is basically like instructions, how to clean stuff. In several languages. Here it is. Preserve the value of objective lenses. Please pay attention to the provisions of the instructions. Blah blah blah. It gives you how to do quick cleaning with the brush and without bellows. Thorough clean with brush and bellows. Important, do not spray directly on the lens. Good instructions and all that. And how to wash. It also tells you how to wash the microfiber cloth. So it gives you good instructions, and that's a variety of languages. Some pictures. Nice little thing. You can clip it to something. There's a clip thing here. Here's the microfiber cloth, which you can find in a store, in any like eyeglass place. They usually will have them there. Here it is, the blower thing. Should shoot out air, and that should blow the dust off. Hopefully, that you wouldn't think a piece of dust could scratch your lens. It can. Here's the little brush. which will definitely be helpful. Here's spray, which I probably won't use for this. Of course, maybe get sprayed on the microfiber cloth and then wipe the lens down, but you got to be careful. Then here's these cleaning moist towelettes. I have a gazillion of them. But that is basically an unboxing of this kit. That's it. So I just want to do a quick unboxing video of it. If you have any comments, questions, let me know. I may do a follow-up video and show or give my review how well it worked. We will see, I don't know. But I just wanted to film that quickly. Alright, any comments, questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.